Have you ever wanted to get a summary of all the sheets in your Excel file with hyperlinks? In other words, sheet with table of content. Now it is very easy in Excel. Just go to Macros tab, then press Table of Content button. Done. Now it is created a sheet called Table of Content. It's include all the sheets names with hyperlink. Now you can simply press the sheet name to go to that specific sheet. Not only that, sometimes you need a hyperlink to navigate to the table of content sheet again. For that, you can press the down arrow button on the table of content here, then press back to TOC link button. Then select the cell you want to put the hyperlink. Keep it in your mind. If there is anything in that cell, it will be replaced with the hyperlink. Okay. Then type the name you want to put in the hyperlink. I will keep the default name. Back to table of content. Then OK. Now you can see hyperlink created to back to table of content. Now very easy to go to table of content. If you want to clear the hyperlink you created, it's in the same place. You can go to clear to TOC link, then select the cell you want to clear. Done.